Hi everybody, I was gifted a bed rail that is going to help you get up from the bed. So let's put it together and then learn a little more about it. So this comes all together, and what you are going to do is you are going to pop this open. You are going to take these two parts and you are going to pop this on right here. This is adjustable depending on your mattress. And so you pick which depth you want, and then we're going to put the pins in to secure that. There you go, step one. Then you are going to take these two pieces and pop them together. They have the pin and the hole, so that just pops in. And then you're going to attach this to the piece that we just put on. Going to take the two leg pieces, insert them together, and then put the legs in. Again, this is adjustable, so you're going to pick your height and then put the pin in. It comes with a strap to attach it to the entire base of your bed. And what you're going to do first is slip this under the mattress, between the mattress and the bed frame. So to get a better look, I wanted to show you, you are just going to lift up the mattress and easily slide this in. And then you can also attach the other strap to keep this extra secure. This comes with a night light and a USB-C charger. You install this with this sticker magnet, and then this slides in, and you have a night light for when you are getting in and out of bed. The night light has a motion sensing mode, so you can turn that on and this light will come on when you get up at night. My favorite feature of this is when you are not using it, you pull up on this red handle and you can put it down to the side. And then that way in the morning, if you want to pull the covers back and make the bed, it looks absolutely perfect. The bag is removable with Velcro. I do love it. You have the mesh on the front. It is a zipper bag, and there is even a smaller zipper pouch on the inside. This is great for keeping all of the things that you need next to your bed. And this is so convenient. If I need a little help getting up, I can pull on this. And then once I'm on the side of the bed, if I need something to steady me, I can use this to just stand up and have something just to hold on to. This foldable bed rail is so convenient. It is heavy duty with adjustable height. It has that motion sensor, night light, storage pocket. It fits all bed sizes, king, queen, full, twin, and it supports up to 400 pounds. This is really nice, such thoughtful design. And I just love that it offers just a little bit of extra support. Links are below. Check it out.